In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram story. So from your Instagram homepage, just go ahead and swipe it to the left to add your story. So the first thing we need to do is take a picture. And once you're done, just click on the sticker icon at the top. So in here, you will see the option music. Just go ahead and click that one. And you can now start to choose the music that you like to add to your story. So for example, I want this one. Just go ahead and click that music. So in here, you can choose the part of the song that you wanted to play. And you can also put the title of the song by clicking the middle options or the album cover. But for me, I will be choosing the music only. And that's it, guys. That's how to add music to Instagram story. So if you're searching for a song and it's not showing up, this is because of the type of account you have on your Instagram. Maybe you set your Instagram account to a professional account or business account. So to fix this one, go back to your profile page and change your category to entrepreneur. And that will allow you to use and access all music on Instagram. Or you can switch your account back to a personal account to access all music on Instagram. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.